Although computers often work with numbers, programming actually uses a variety of different data types. In this video, we'll explore a data type called strings. Strings are what we use in Python when working with words. You'll see strings as text enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes. Let's look at a few ways you can work with strings. When creating a string, you can do several things. Make an empty string, create a string with text already in it, or concatenate existing strings. Here, we are using the plus sign to combine a first name, a space, and a last name. Strings are a sequential collection data type. This means that a string is actually a collection of single characters. You can access a substring, or part of a string, using the indexing operator. This operator is handy for accessing a single character by its position or index value. The index value for sequential collection data types always begins at 0. For example, strings with 6 characters have indices of 0 through 5. And if we want to access the 5th character in a string, we'll use an index of 4. Python's built-in length function, called len, can help you determine how many characters are in your string. So the last index of a string will always be one less than its length. Another way of accessing characters in a string is to use the slice operator. This allows you to create a substring that is more than one character long. Keep in mind that the slice operator leaves the original string intact. In this example, the colon used in the slicing operator will return the characters from index 2 up to, but not including, index 5. Python also has built-in methods to help you access or process the characters in your string. For example, we can use the count method to count the occurrences of a particular substring. Or we can use the index method to find the index of the first occurrence of a given substring. Upper, for instance, returns a copy of the string in all uppercase letters, while lower returns a copy of the string in all lowercase letters. Another method, called strip, returns a copy of your string with the leading and trailing whitespace characters removed. Whitespace refers to any character that represents a space in your text, like a tab, a space, and a new line character. It's important to note that strings are immutable, which means they cannot be changed. Methods like upper, lower, strip, and many others actually return a copy of the string, leaving the original string unchanged. As you begin processing larger strings, like the content of a text file, other methods like split can be helpful in breaking up your string into more manageable pieces. Split takes a delimiter and splits your string into substrings. The method returns a list where each item is a substring that is cut at every instance of that delimiter. For example, if your string is a sentence and your delimiter is a space, the resulting list will include every word in that sentence, but no spaces. The split method does not include the delimiter in the list it returns. Notice in this example that the apostrophe in our first word is included in the string. Using double quotes allows you to include single quotes within your string, while using single quotes allows you to include double quotes in your string. As you continue working with strings and other collection data types, you'll discover and explore the variety of built-in functions and methods Python has to offer.